The AND, OR, XOR and NOT gates, along with the NAND, NOR and XNOR gates, are the 7 basic logic gates that we'll go through one by one in this video. The first logic gate that we'll look at is the AND gate. It has a truth table that looks like this. Now, what this truth table is telling us is that when the two inputs are 0, the output is also 0, representing false. When input A is 0 and input B is 1, or when input A is 1 and input B is 0, the output is still 0. Only when both input A and B are 1 is the output 1, representing true. Now that we know how to read a truth table, we can go through the rest of the logic gates fairly quickly. The OR gate's truth table tells us that when one of or both of the inputs are true, the output is true. Only when none of the inputs are true is the output false. Next up, the XOR gate. The XOR gate, meaning the exclusive OR gate, is similar to the OR gate that we just looked at, the only difference being that the XOR gate is false when both inputs are true, which is where the name the exclusive OR gate comes from. It excludes this last combination where both inputs are true. If what I just said didn't make much sense, just remember that the output of the XOR gate is true when the inputs are different and false when the inputs are the same. The NOT gate is probably the simplest of the logic gates because it only has one input, and what it does with that input is that it simply inverts it. If the input is false, the output is true. If the input is true, the output is false. And believe it or not, but that's almost everything you need to know about the 7 basic logic gates. The last 3 gates, the NAND, the NOR and the XNOR, are simply the first 3 gates with a NOT gate attached to the output. So if you take the truth table of the AND gate and invert the output, you get the truth table of a NAND gate. And likewise, when you invert the truth table of the OR gate, you get the truth table of the NOR gate. And when you invert the truth table of the XOR gate, you get the truth table of the XNOR gate.